great deal previously in the slow process of performance in many of the projects.
أحد المشروعات اللي ما يستمرش 17 سنة للتنفيذ أعتقد إن ده لو الولد صغير كان عنده 10 سنين لحد بعد 19 سنة.
He's saying that one example was that the project took 17 years, and that is quite a number of years. It was a child that was sent to have been
تنفيذ المواطن يلمس المشروع السويسري ويتفوق على غيره من المشروعات إنه سريعا حقق نتيجة.
He's saying that he would like the community to realize that there is a Swiss project that has quick impact, even more efficient than other projects.
وده اللي أنا أتمناه وأنا واثق.
This is what he hopes for, and he's